A very good morning and welcome to the Legalite platform of Divine Classes. My name is Deepak, your host and guide to your journey to be a legal eagle. This video is for the Clat aspirants, the one who are looking for career in law after class 12th. Yes, I am talking about Clat, the gateway for India's top NLUs and 60 plus affiliated colleges. Without being a devil's advocate, let me quickly elaborate who can avail this opportunity. Clat 2025 is for class 12 regular students and class 12 repeaters or droppers. Regular students who are going to give their final exam next year, repeaters and droppers who have actually given Clat 2024 last year in the month of December, and the one who have given the final exams this year and are dropping this year to give this Clat 2025. Clat 2025 is going to be held in the month of December this year. You have approximately 8 months to complete your syllabus, to revise, give mocks, and be prepared. Talking about the syllabus, you have 5 sections including English, GK with current affairs, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and quantitative techniques. If you see the weightage, you will get 20% from English, 25% each from GK and legal reasoning, again 20% from logical reasoning, and 10% from quantitative techniques. This is arithmetical simple problems that you will be facing in the exam, right? And this section probably takes 450 words paragraphs, or you can say passages, that you have to go through, comprehend, and give the questions. This logical reasoning will contain passages of 350 words each. Okay. All those who are interested to crack Clat and be a legal eagle. Now, the word legal eagle, that's my favorite word, and that's what I wish to elaborate here. Why a legal eagle? Because eagle fly at high altitudes, they are away from the narrow-minded people, right? And they have a vision, they have a clear goal, what they want to do, right? Also, they are fearless, they never surrender to any challenge that they face, and tenacious. That means they are determined and focused on their goal, right? So if you want to be a legal eagle, if you want to crack your Clat examination, what you need is a question, that is how. There are two ways. One, you can do it by yourself. If you can do it, it is well and good. And second, you can prepare with a coaching institute. If you want proper hand-holding support, if you want correct guidance, you can catch an institute who is serious about it. Let me just warn you here, sometimes big names are just to attract you and trap you. You are responsible enough to take demo classes, to inquire about it, and then decide which way you want to go. I, on behalf of Divine Classes and Legalite, provides you an opportunity to start your journey to crack Clat 2025. Our online and offline classes are starting from 2nd April 2024, which are specially programmed and designed toward your goal. So what are you waiting for? Take your free demo and start your journey to crack Clat.